My name is Juan. My name is Vic.
My name is Vic.
My name is Han.
We come from KLTBV 24.
Hello everyone, my name is Ving.
Today, I will guide you with a very important function when you build a commercial website. It's shopping cart. Yeah, you can see this is a website selling flowers, and eventually we have successfully built the add to cart function for this website. As you browse through the products on the website, if you like and want to buy, you can click the add to cart button. For example, here I want to add this flower to my cart. This flower and this flower to my cart. And you can see my cart currently has 3 products. Every time I add a product, it will increase by one. And now I will go to my cart to see what products are in it. Yes, this is my shopping cart. And now I have the right to not like this product anymore, so I will remove it by clicking the remove item button. Yeah, I click OK. Product have been removed from shopping cart. Yes, and if I want to buy their 2 Philip flower, I will click the plus sign here. Every click it will increase by one. Yes, and the next tool is in the payments view. You can see the total item here is 2 items, and the total price here. And here we default the shopping price at 3. Yes, I have demoed the shopping cart function, and now how to do it. Let's see.
As sections, we will create a class name database and has the attributes server name, user name, passwords, DB names, table name, and columns. You can make some public. Here, we will create construction functions. Then, we will accessing database variable in class. And this command is used to create connections with database. If it can't connect, it will show an error. This command is create database. We will check if the database does not exist. We will create the database. This is command SQL query called database. Use a create table statement. SQL query. If it has an error, it will print the error. We will create variable check DB data to command execution select ID from. If check DB data is less than 0, we will perform inserts into such table and otherwise will return false. And final, we will get product from the database. Here we have a function named getData. In here create pick variable as empty array. SQL pick employee. The employee functions in PHP is used to combine array elements into string. This is variable where to get ID from that pick. In select from data, check if number round is greater than 0. The result will be returned.
And now let's welcome Khan.
Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about two files, header.php and index.php. So first, I'm going to talk about header.php. This is HTML and PHP code to create the website header and the shopping cart. This is a navbar created with a bootstrap and includes a logo and a cart icon. If the cart is not an entity, the number of products in the cart will be displayed next to the cart icon. And if the cart is empty, the number of products will be 0. And then here is code a file index.php and this is HTML, PHP and JavaScript code to display the products and add them to the cart. Zip display a list of products from the database and allow the user to add products to the cart by pressing the Add to Cart button. If the product already exists in the cart, its quantity will be increased by 1. If the product is not already in the cart, it will be added with the quality 1. When the user clicks on cart icon, the cart will be displayed with the products that have been added.
Hello everyone, my name is Vic. I will talk about SoProduct.PAV file.
The cart item function is used to display the product in the user cart. It is also used to get the element of attribute, product image, product name, product description, and price. But in the bottom on click, when the user clicks, the site will perform an action that it will update the number of products in the cart and will be sent to the cart page. And the next is shows the number of products currently in the user cart. The last button is to update the number of products in the cart and increase it on unit and use the ID to remove the product from the cart.
Here is a PHP page to display the user role. I will explain the code line by line in order. This function start a session in PHP to store global variable. A cost modify pay. This command requires the data PHP file which contain the database class to make connection to the database and retrieve data. This command requires the show product PHP file which contain the function needed to display product on the web page. Create an object of the database class to make connection to the database and retrieve data. Check if user press delete button. If yes, then execute now remove task product with unset function and get ID of that product in cart and notify user that product has been removed from shopping cart. Check if the user has changed the number of products in the cart. Update the quantity and display the card page again. Start the HTML section of the web page. Require the header PHP file to display the header of the web page. Initialize the total variable with the value 0 to calculate the total value of the product in the cart. Check if the cart contains product. If yes, display a list of products and sum their value. This function is called to display its product in the cart. Calculate the total value of the product in the cart equal to how to get the current price of the product and multiply it by the quantity of that product in the cart. Display the total value of product in the cart in currency format. JavaScript codes due to animate web page. Thank you.
That's all. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to click on subscribe. Goodbye.